Well, here we are, standing in line. Woohoo! Yeah, probably going to take us a while to load in. We're a little trepidatious about getting this thing off of the bed because it's so high, but yeah, we'll give it our best shot. As you can see, the car is off the back of the lift, or the flatbed. I have no idea how we're going to get it back on. So, looks like we got an electrical source potentially to do that. So, hopefully we'll be able to use the electric winch to bring it back on. But, yeah, we're now going to get everything set up. Well, here she is at the show. First show ever. We got it here in one piece. We got it off the flatbed in one piece. So we're gonna do a little 3D printing in the car, self-assembly and all that, you know. Got some posters, media coverage, place to sit, more about the car. We kind of dolled up the engine bay, so it's looking a little better than the rest of the car. The rest of the car is, again, really rough. And I know there's a lot of you guys out there commenting saying it's all going to fall apart, blah, blah, blah. You know, tack welds are tack welds, finish welds are finish welds. The car held together. It didn't distort when we were putting it on and off the trailer. So for now, it's just fine. And there we are, getting some people in. Actually, the response to the car has been overwhelmingly positive. So this has been a good car show. We got a long way to go today, but we're having a good time.
I don't know how to make it stop. On this?
I don't like as much as the old 55s. The 55s are more boxy. So they're a little more classier. So I like that.
Oh my God! My car. Back car, I guess. Yeah.
Look at the blue. That's a lot of rubber. And it puts the sun out. Finally got some shade. Keep going, man. We need more shade. $170 car burnout. Whoa. So after a lot of redneck engineering and brute strength by Trevor, we got the pig back on. And one little mishap where it actually rolled off. And then we had to do it all over again. So But now we're happy. She's on the trailer, and we're gonna head home and get some dinner.
Eat and drink.
Eat and drink. Watch a little Seahawks football.
Go home.
And we're gonna say goodbye to Bandimere for a little while.